And this is my next lawnmower find here. This is a Bilt model TB200. It's got the 625 EX 150cc Briggs & Stratton engine on here. Front wheel drive. And it has been sitting a long time. It's been sitting in a person's garage. Bought this on Facebook Marketplace. We're going to see the condition of this and see if it will even run. Got the rear bag with this and a side chute. They didn't put the rear bag on correctly onto the frame. I'll show that. I'll have to fix that. When I got this, the whole lever was out of the engine, which is not good. Not sure if we got dirt in there. Just really dirty all the way around. I think this is something we're going to have to bring back to life here. Be surprised if we can get this to start. Seems to have compression. Let me show you more about this Bilt, and we'll attempt to give this a start and check everything. See if it's got any spark and can get gas. Ready to start engine. No prime, no choke. Let's check the air filter in here. These have car type air filters. Doesn't look too bad. We'll clean some dirt out of this and put it back on. And let's check the gas. Gosh, it's got a lot of gas in here, probably 3/4 of a tank. Doesn't smell bad just from up here. So I think we're okay on the gas. And let's check the oil in this. This dipstick was pulled out of this engine when I got it. It appears to be full and it's not dirty. Blade here. Very dirty. We've got rope around the blade. We'll have to take this off and sharpen this. We can get this running. Looks like it's on the right way. See so many of these blades sometimes that people put a new blade on or get it sharpened and put it on backwards. Put it on the wrong way. Check the side chute area for rust, steel frame. It's just really dirty. Kind of hard to tell if we got any rust there or not, but it doesn't look that bad. Cobwebs. Lots of cobwebs. At least I kept it in the garage. Here is the model and serial number of this Bilt TB200. Here is the back of the mower where the bag fits, and they do have the blade on the correct way. Probably has never been taken off. The blade doesn't look too bad from this side. All plastic, nothing's going to rust back here. Looks really good. And here is the rear bag. They never got it on the frame correctly. They didn't put the frame inside the bag. Looks like maybe they've used it this way. I'm not sure how they did. But we'll correct that and hopefully get this frame back in. And got the side chute with this, which looks like it has never been used as well. We'll check the wheels here. We've been having an awful storm, so the sun's in and out here. Got one lever for each pair of wheels. These look good in the rear. Front looks good, and this rear wheel looks good as well. Washport engine, and here is the engine serial number or year. It says 2015. It's the year of this Bilt. So let's see if this will try to come to life here. Not sure how many years it's been sitting in the garage. Kind of looks like a bit of a neglected lawnmower. The yard was not very big though. Let's make some attempt to try to start this. Hopefully be surprised. It's got compression. Got nothing. Let's try to put some carburetor cleaner in here and at least see if we've got ignition, some spark in this. And we're going to try to shoot some carburetor cleaner in here. See if it does anything. Don't like that running out, but we'll remove some paint. But let's give it a try here. Tried. Well, that's a good sign. We got spark. And it attempted to start but did not run. I'll keep trying to spray some carburetor cleaner in here and maybe break free whatever may be stuck in there. May have something stuck in the fuel line, the tank. Try everything before we have to take this carburetor off. Even hit around the bowl a little bit to see maybe if the float is stuck in here from sitting. Try it again with some carburetor cleaner. That so far is about all it will do. Wow, look at this. It is running. Kept banging on it with that rubber persuasion hammer. Not running great, but needs to drink, get rid of that old gas. intended cutoff. And used a little persuasion here, just banging on the side of this carburetor, front and in the back. See if we'll loosen up anything. Put some more carburetor cleaner in here. You really smell old gas in here. So they probably use just regular gas, ethanol, and it's probably clogged up. Let's give this one more try here. About all it'll do. Looks like we'll have to check to see if this gas tank is plugged up or this carburetor, which the smell of it, pretty sure it is. And we'll put this in a part 2 video, taking apart this carburetor on this TB200. See if we can bring this back to life. Thanks for watching.